Thanksgiving time, so we're going to make a turkey cake. What I have here is just an 8-inch round, and to keep it from sliding off of my turntable, a little piece of non-slip mat. Love this stuff. I'm going to set that on there. That way it doesn't slide off of my turntable. Now, I don't want my cake sliding off of my cake board either, so what I'm going to do is just take a little dab of icing and just smear a little underneath there. Press it down into place. There we go. Now we're going to base ice this. As always, we use thin icing. Now I'm using kind of a shade of ivory or gold. You can use any color you like. I'm sticking with kind of a harvest theme or color. Now we're going to use a cake comb in just a minute, so you want to spread this on kind of thick because you're going to be scraping some of it back off again. Now I need a nice thick coating on this part. The turkey is going to be sitting up here. So up here I can get more of a crumb coat just so that I don't have a ton of icing on there. So nice thick coat just on about a third of the cake. And then a thin coating on this other 2/3. And then that kind of gives us a line right across here that we're going to be working with. And get your comb. There's these nifty little combs. Sometimes they look like a ruler, sometimes they look like a triangle. Each side has got a different pattern. Obviously you can use whichever one you like. Now what you want to do is, because it doesn't always line up perfectly on the back side, you want to start at the back of your cake, since this will be the front. And you want to hold that at an angle. Now you will notice that you get quite a buildup of icing on there. If you need to stop and scrape it off into your cup or bowl, then go ahead and do that. And you'll also find that you get some little bits that kind of push out to the edge as you go, so you can clean that up with a paper towel if you'd like. I'm going to push it close up to the edge and just clean up that excess. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just want to get the excess icing off of there. Now I'm also going to use this decorating comb to scrape the same pattern into this area right here. Pull it across, and then I'll clean up the edge with a spatula. There we go. Now we're ready to begin piping our turkey.